Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to title your document on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select a document from your home page, either one that you have already created or you can also create a new document. After that, tap on this three dots icon if you would like to give it a title, and then click on the untitled part, delete it, and then type in the name that you would like to give to your document. And if you are done with the renaming process, click on the save button, which is this blue button in the right side of the screen, and as you can see, your document has been renamed. If you would like to rename it again, you can do it anytime you would like to by tapping on the three dots icon, coming back to this section and just tapping on the name again. And then you can delete it and type in a new one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.